Do you know why all the heavy-duty trucks and buses stop with super braking power? Generally, cars have hydraulic brakes, but heavy-duty vehicles have air brakes. Do you know why? Hello, friends. Even if the TV remote does not work in our house, it is annoying. However, if the brakes do not work in trucks, buses, and heavy vehicles, it can lead to a major accident. They use the air brake system so that nothing like this should happen. Without this mechanism, no heavy-duty vehicle can run on our roads. In this video, what is the air brake used for? How does it work? What are the new technologies? ABS, EPS, disc brakes, adaptive braking, and many other types of brake systems are used in which vehicles. We are going to explain all this in our usual style in a simple way. In our ordinary car, hydraulic brake power alone is enough. How about for large vehicles? This is what air brakes are for. More braking power with less foot pressure. How is this possible? If you want to know, watch the entire video. Why are air brakes used more without hydraulic brakes? Large vehicles need maximum braking power. Due to the low oil pressure in hydraulic brakes, they do not work properly for large vehicles. However, the air brake system stores air through a compressor and uses it at high pressure to brake. Let's first see how air brakes work. Do you know why air brakes are used without hydraulic brakes? Large vehicles need maximum braking power. Due to the slack in hydraulic brakes, they do not work properly for large vehicles. But the air brake system stores air through a compressor and uses it at high pressure to brake. Let's also see what are the important parts of the air brake system. The compressor draws the air required for the brake system from outside and sends it to the air tank. The air is stored in the air tank. The air tank stores the air sent by the compressor. The relay valve quickly sends the air required to the brake system when the brake is applied. The air entering the brake chambers presses the diaphragm in the brake chamber, and the slack adjuster linked to the diaphragm expands the brake shoe and presses the drum. The brake is applied and the vehicle stops. The quick release valve stops the vehicle after the brake is applied. There should be no air in the brake system when the vehicle is stopped. If there is air, the brake shoes will continue to press against the drum. So, the air in the system will be released immediately and the brake shoes will be released. Let's see how the air brake works in detail. When the engine starts, the compressor also turns on and helps to pull in the air from outside. The compressor sends the air that is pulled in to the air tank and stores the air there. Once a certain amount of air has accumulated in the air tank, there is a pressure release valve on the tank to prevent air from accumulating above it. It opens and releases the air. Whenever the air in the tank decreases, it closes and stores the air. When we press the brake pedal, the relay valve or foot valve opens and air is sent to the brake chamber. The air sent in this way activates the pushrod through the slack adjuster. This provides braking power and the vehicle stops. When the brake is released, the quick release valve releases the air. The air brake system in temporary vehicles has undergone a major change. Let's see what kind of technologies are incorporated and how their safety features are. Anti-lock braking system, also known as ABS, helps prevent the wheels of the vehicle from locking. This prevents the wheels from locking, releases the brakes frequently, and prevents the vehicle from slipping. Electronic braking system, also known as EPS, controls the brake pressure using electronic signals and provides quick braking. This sensor control system provides the right amount of pressure to the brake, according to the load difference, road condition braking. Another system is disc brake. Disc brake is used in some new vehicles. Most of the cars that are coming now were used only for the front two wheels. Now, with the help of technology, disc brake is used for all four wheels, and disc brake is used for more and more two-wheelers. Adaptive braking system, load sensing, traction control, etc. are connected to the air brake system. These load, how fast is the vehicle coming from behind? Does the driver brake quickly? The sensors monitor this and automatically provide braking and higher efficiency. In line with this, the air brake system in the latest trucks, buses, and electronic trucks and buses has undergone many changes. These modern braking systems are going to discuss in the next video. Let's take a look at it in detail. By subscribing to the channel, you will immediately get the videos we post. Please subscribe. Friends, none of the large vehicles on our roads are ordinary vehicles. They are all 30-ton and 40-ton vehicles. Even a 1-second braking bailout with them is a danger to the lives of many people. Therefore, drivers should check whether the brakes are working properly before taking the vehicle. You should check the brake pressure gauge frequently and keep checking whether there is air pressure or whether it is decreasing. The air horn should not be used excessively. You should not release the brake and apply it several times. This will increase the cost of air. Vehicle owners should always check the air brake service. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share with drivers, mechanics, and vehicle owners. Subscribe for the next useful video. Answer this question in the comments. Which should your bus or truck have? Air brakes or hydraulic brakes? Thank you.